Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make stone tools in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. So the supply you'll be needing is a lot of cobblestone and a lot of sticks. So the first thing we're going to make is a pickaxe. So put 2 of your sticks and 3 of your cobblestones in this exact particular way, and you get a stone pickaxe. If you want to make a stone sword, just put a little stick down and then put 2 of your cobblestone down there and you get a stone sword. If you want to make a axe, you want to simply go ahead and put 2 sticks down and 3 of your cobblestone, just like that. And now if you want to make a hoe, you want to simply put 2 sticks and 2 of your cobblestone to make another hoe. Now you want to simply make a shovel, then you want to put 2 sticks and 1 cobblestone. There you go. That is all of the stone tools that you can create. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.